Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Skillibeng on Jamaican-born rapper Busta Rhymes' upcoming 5-track EP, The Fuse is Lit. The collaboration titled Bulletproof Skin was announced earlier this week via Busta's Instagram post and is scheduled to be released tomorrow. The song is produced by Russian and Kosa. The other songs on the 5-track set are The Fuse is Lit, Slap featuring Big Daddy Kane and Conway the Machine, Hot Sex Part 2, and Run It Up featuring Capella Gray. This is Skilly's second international collab that was announced just this week. Skilly, along with the blessed singer Shensia, will be part of Wizkid's new album, More Life, Less Ego, which is also slated to be released tomorrow. Dancehall artist Skeng is set to return to court on March 9 in 2023. The 21-year-old, whose given name is Kevin Douglas, is charged with disorderly behavior and resisting arrest following an argument with a member of port security at the Norman Manley International Airport back in May. He was allegedly pepper sprayed by the police during that incident. Skeng's legal representative, Christopher Townsend, said they were given video footage of the incident, but it had to be edited, whereas they wanted the raw footage.
We made a further application for further disclosure, as on the last time that we were before the court, we had complained that what we had wasn't the full footage as to what had happened, because they had edited out the version where they had pepper sprayed Skeng. When we went back to court on this occasion, it was revealed that the footage was in fact edited, and the judge ordered that we get the full footage so that we can make our defense.
The attorney went on to state that both sides involved in the incident could have handled the confrontation differently. He was subsequently charged, however, he is allowed to leave the island. Now, on the international scene, Nashville's Luke Combs last evening was awarded Entertainer of the Year at the Country Music Association Awards CMA, the most prestigious prize at the genre's biggest award show. Old Dominion and Brothers Osborne continued their march as industry favorites as duo and group, respectively. And Jordan Davis's recent smash, Buy Dirt featuring Brian, his label mate, won Song of the Year. Other awardees on the night were newcomers Cody Johnson and Lainey Wilson, tied with Combs with 2 wins. Johnson triumphed with his impossibly catchy hit, Till You Can't, in the single and music video categories, while Wilson won New Artist and Female Vocalist. The show kicked off with footage of Lynn accepting CMA's Entertainer of the Year in 1972, the first time a woman ever won the prize, followed by a tribute from Carrie Underwood, Miranda Lambert, and Reba McEntire singing a medley of some of Lynn's greatest hits. Another moment that stood out for the night was Diverse's Kelsey Ballerini, Carly Pearce, and Kelly Clarkson joining forces on stage with a rendition of Kelsey's latest hit, You're Drunk, Go Home. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.